Welcome to my channel Swiftlearn. This tutorial I will show you how to delete selected row from DataGridview in C# Windows Palm application. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, the start it's SQL Server. This is my SQL Server name is catalog-SQL. This is the Object Explorer. My database name is my task.db, and I expand the table. My table name is user info underscore tab. Select all records. Yes, these are the records in the database table. ID, name, address, address, and image file. Okay, now start Visual Studio. Select Visual C#, Windows Form application. Location is D, C# tutorial folder. It's selected. Now select this folder. OK, and name the project. My project name is delete selected row tutorial. Click on OK. Okay, it's created. Resize this form. In this tutorial, I'll show how to delete selected row from the grid view. Okay, change the text of this label. This label I'll use as title space. Delete selected row. Font size is 16 and font bold true. Okay, now change the fore color, button paste, and change the back color of this form. Select form and go to the property. Change the back color. Yes, now this is looking nice. Now I'm gonna add a button control from the toolbox. This button control I will use to load the records in the grid view, data grid view. Okay, change the text of this button. Button text is and font size 12 and font bold true. Okay, or color button paste and change the back color of this button. Okay, now I'm gonna add a data grid view from the toolbox. Just drag and drop in the Windows Form application. Resize this data grid view. In this grid view, I will load records from the SQL Server database to Windows Palm application in C#. Okay, now connect to the SQL Server database. To connect to the SQL Server database, just write this code SQL connection connect to new SQL connection. To get the connection string, first of all you should add namespace using system.data.sql client to use SQL connection. Okay, now to get the connection string, go to the Server Explorer, right click on the data connection, add connection. Server name, my server name is catalog-SQever, what I have shown you. And authentication, SQL Server authentication, username SA, and password is SQL Server authentication password. Select the database. My database name is my task.db, I have shown you. Click on test connection succeeded. Okay, yes, it's connected to the Visual Studio. Now see that the user info underscore tab, ID, name, address, access, another. Okay, right click and go to the property, and this is the connection string. Copy and paste it in the double quotation in SQL connection. You can see the user ID SA is okay, but password is like star, so put your password. Okay, now it's connected to the SQL Server database. Now command, my SQL command is to select all the records from user info underscore tab. In that case, right code SQL command com equal to new SQL command select star from user info underscore tab. Okay, con. Now SQL data adapter D equal to new SQL data adapter com. Now data table. Yes, data table dd equal to new data table. Finally, d.fill dd. Data grid view 1. My data grid view name is data grid view 1. The data source equal to dd. Okay, debug. Yes. Load data. Yes, all the records displaying in the data grid view in Windows Palm. Now I'm going to show how to delete selected row from the data grid view. In that case, go to the event and double click on the cell click event. Yes, this is the data grid view cell click event. Just copy the SQL connection and paste it here. Okay. Now SQL command. This command I will use to delete records from the SQL Server database using DataGridview. Okay, delete user info underscore tab, where ID is primary key column, so I just use the class ID. ID equal to here I will use ID. To put ID, first of all add integer ID equal to DataGridview1 dot rows e dot row index. I mean, in which cell I will click, which row I will click, in that row ID it will delete according to the ID selected record selected row in DataGridview. Okay. ID is integer, so you should convert it to integer. In that case, convert dot to integer 32. Okay. Now just put this ID con. Okay, my command is done. Now com dot execute non-query. Execute non-query used to insert, delete, update. Finally, it will display the message box dot show successfully deleted. Okay. Now just debug. Load data. Yes. Now click on. Oh no, what's the problem? Transaction occurred. Execute non-can open available connection. Execute non-can require an open and available connection. So add con dot open, and after completing the operation, con dot close. Okay, now debug. Load data. Yes, Jack 107 USA delete selected value. Oh, it's deleted, but it's not refreshed DataGridview instantly. You can see the ID 107 records is deleted, but it's not refreshed instantly. To display the records instantly, I mean to display the results instantly, just add a method public void bind grid. Okay, now just copy this code in the bind grid and just call this bind grid in the button click event and the DataGridview cell click event. Just copy them, paste this method in the DataGridview cell click event so that you can get result instantly. Okay, now just click to delete and delete 106. Yes, it's deleted and it's replaced the records in the DataGridview instantly. Adding confirm message. Delete is very confidential, so if you delete the records you cannot get this record, so you should add a confirm message. In that case, I'm gonna add a confirm message. If message box dot show are you sure to delete, it will display the confirm message with text are you sure to delete, and the message document says delete records. If you select on yes, it will display the two button yes no. I mean in this confirm message you can see the two button yes no. If you select yes, it will delete the records, and if you select if you click on no, it will not delete the records. Yes. Now debug. Load data. Yes, now click to delete. Are you sure to delete? No, not deleted. Are you sure to delete? No, deleted. And you can see if you click yes, it's deleted successfully. Yes. Okay.